In this video, we will walk you through two methods to create an organizational system to set up folders and store files within your personal OneDrive for Business online storage space. The two methods are different in how they organize the materials. In Method 1, you'll set up a new folder for each class. In Method 2, you'll set up a general folder for each semester. Let's look at the end result, and then we'll walk you through how to set it up for this semester. In Method 1, we see a general folder for the degree program you are pursuing. Inside the folder, you'll set up a different folder for each course. I've chosen to name them here with the course number and title. Within each folder, you may want to set up subfolders for assignments and readings and for other types of documents, depending on your course. You may want to upload the syllabus and any other documents to the main course folder. In Method 2, you see the same general folder for the degree program you are pursuing. Then, under that folder, you see folders for each semester. Depending on how you want to stay organized through the semester, you could set up subfolders for your classes and then for your readings and assignments. Or you could store all readings and all assignments together for the semester and use a naming convention to organize. Neither method is perfect for everyone. It all depends on how you would like to stay organized. The setup for both methods is relatively easy once you decide on what organizational method will work best for you. To get to your OneDrive for Business storage, you will log in at mycommunity.ku.edu with your KU Online ID and password. You can then click on the app launcher and choose OneDrive. Now that you are in your main online personal storage space, you can create folders by clicking New and choosing Folder. Give the folder a name and click OK. If you need to rename a folder, you can check the field to the left of the folder and select Rename. Once you've created your first folder, you can click to open and start creating subfolders. If you need additional guidance in using myCommunity, OneDrive for Business, or Office 365, you can find support articles at knowledgebase.ku.edu or contact the KU IT Customer Service Center at 785-864-8080 or itcsc@ku.edu.